Hi, I'm Maya Feller, registered dietitian nutritionist, and this is Cook With Us with Well+Good. Today I'm going to make a cranberry citrus compote. It is so easy to make and has very few ingredients. First, I'm going to turn my pot on. I'm going to start with a medium to low flame. Here I have canned cranberries. If you're unable to find canned cranberries without additives, a quick fix is always to rinse them under cool running water for at least 30 to 40 seconds to get off any of the added sugars or salts or fats that may be present. And if you don't want to use canned cranberries, you can always use fresh cranberries. It'll be quite similar. It's just a tiny bit longer in the cooking time. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take my 100% orange juice and I'm going to pour it into my warm pot. Now, I'm going to go ahead and add my date syrup. I love date syrup as an alternative sweetener because it's filled with polyphenols, and it also is a little bit lower on the glycemic index. I'm going to mix this together to bring the flavors together. Then for my spice, I'm adding cinnamon. If you wanted, you could use cinnamon sticks if you're able to find them. This is absolutely gorgeous. It smells so rich and earthy, and cinnamon also has a lot of antioxidants. I mean, this combination right here is really good for you. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add in my canned cranberries. And I'm gonna let this cook down for about 3 to 5 minutes. And here we can see the cranberries, because they're canned, it's already a little bit softer and the flavors are coming together rather quickly. Now I'm gonna add in my halos that have been cut into quarters. You'll notice that the skin is still on, but they're 100% edible. In fact, underneath the skin is an antioxidant called hesperidin, and it's so fantastic. And we love halos because they're full of vitamin C, which is also another antioxidant. I'm gonna turn the flame down to low, and I'm gonna let it simmer for about 10 more minutes, and then we'll come back to it. All right, now we are done. Oh, look at that. It's gorgeous. And the smells are incredible. So we're just gonna go ahead and spoon this into our bowl. Oh, just so yummy and delicious. So here we are with our finished product. The flavors have come together so nicely, and just to finish it, I put a tiny bit of lemon zest on the top. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a taste. Incredible. Now, I love tang, and cranberries do not disappoint. They're a little bit tangy, but the combination of the OJ and the date syrup makes it tangy and sweet. I could absolutely imagine putting this on a fresh slice of crusty sourdough with a piece of cheese and this on top. Delicious. Thanks for watching. You can get the full recipe in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe to Well+Good.